the land of the blind. Hi, Mommy.
Hi, Froggy. How are you?
Good. Oh, blind.
What about the doggy? Is the doggy in your puppet show too?
Yeah. Hi, doggy. Hi.
Oh, the doggy gave him a kiss? The doggy gave him a kiss, honey?
Mommy, I'm doing a puppet show.
You're doing a puppet show, I know. Did you see a puppet show?
Yeah.
Yeah, what did you like in the puppet show? Oh, he's giving another kiss to the frog?
Yeah.
That's nice. Oh, look at your doggy. You're giving your doggy lots of hugs and kisses? You gave him a kiss, yeah. Hey, Caleb, can I see your muscles?
Muscle.
Muscles. Hey, Caleb, tell me about the puppet show that you saw.
I saw the puppet show. I saw the puppet.
Okay.
And went on an egg hunt.
You went on an egg hunt after the puppet show, huh? What else did you do? And you know it, clap your hands. Yeah, you made him do if you're happy and you know it. You're a very good puppet master. Hey, can you make the frog dance to... Can you make the frog dance to Muffin Man? Let's see the frog's Muffin Man dance. That's his Muffin Man dance?
Yeah.
Is he gonna sing too? What happened?